In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can easily convert a Word document into PDF. So let's get started. And that is through the help of the Microsoft Word. So open your Microsoft Word document or your document, open that, okay? So now we have opened this document. We just need to simply click on the File tab right here on the ribbon. And here we have to choose this option, Export. Now you'll have this option, create PDF or XPS document. Click on that. Now click on this button, create PDF or XPS. Now we can change this name or we just leave it as it is. For the destination path, save this to desktop. And then for the save as type, you just have to click on this drop down arrow. This is the important part for this tutorial. Do not forget to change this save as type to PDF. And then click on publish. And that's it. Now if I'm going to close this, we already have this PDF file right here on the desktop. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert a Word document into PDF on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.